About that snow though, because it was really impressive. Look at these totals. So it depends on where you were. Remember we were talking about that sharp cutoff? Well, yeah, there was a sharp cutoff. You folks in New Hampshire were saying, where is the snow? But as you look, you got about 1 to 3 inches just north and west of Boston. Once you get into the Boston area, you ramped up to about 6 inches, but just north and west even. As you followed the Mass Pike, it was anywhere from about 3 to 6 inches of snow. And then the farther south you go, you get into about 6 to 10 inch range. And then the Cape and Islands really getting the brunt of this storm with about 10 to 15 inches of snow, in some spots even above that. And believe it or not, it was blizzard criteria. It was an official blizzard in some locations, which means it was about a quarter-mile visibility for at least 3 hours in a row, and wind gusts in excess of about 35 miles an hour. Now, where was an official blizzard? Well, it was on Nantucket for about 4 hours yesterday, and Chatham 4 hours yesterday, the Vineyard 2, and Plymouth. So you can see it was really a dangerous situation. And